Last one.
Last of Us Part 1 sales jumped 238% after the TV show launched. Yeah, of course. You know how many people are talking to me about Last of Us, Will?
Hey, did you watch it?
No, I didn't watch it.
Oh, come on.
Well,
the second episode dropped.
Well, the thing is, so let's say I do watch it, okay, Will?
Yeah.
Can you and I even really talk about it without spoiling it on this show? Is it possible?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
But we can talk about it, like, you know, your opinions on it and
with spoil, like we can just tell everyone before.
No spoilers.
Well, I think that's going to be hard. Like, if you and I actually both watch this and rehash and everything else, I think it's going to be hard.
No rehash.
You're going to slip up, Will.
Yeah, probably.
You're going to slip up. I'm telling you right now. No, this is great. I love when it all works out like that and everybody's happy. Because it doesn't happen that way most times.
Yeah.
Most times you got aggravated people that this wouldn't be like this. This one. I had one complaint. Somebody said to me they didn't like one particular actress in the show or something. They thought it wasn't quite like the way it was portrayed in the video game.
Okay, yeah.
And I was like, okay, well that's a small. But then they go on to say, I love everything about it. I was like, if that's your only complaint, which is
not bad. Not bad.
Because some people come in there with fire and brimstone. Some people come in there and go, how dare you? You changed this and that, and this means so much to me, whether it's a game or a book that's adapted. Mm-hmm. So far, so good. I believe this is going to mean good things, not just for this version of the game, but anything that happens in this thing in the future.
And I do think that this game itself is great in and of itself.
Which one's better, though, part 1 or part 2?
They're both pretty good.
But which one's better, though?
I think the first one.
Okay.
Mainly because there's a reason why they remade it like 3 times. There's like remasters, remakes.
Because the guy I was talking to, he said the second one was better if I only played one of the video games.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know.
Yeah.
You know. Now, let me ask you this. Here's another question for you, Mr. Last of Us.
Huh?
If I can only do one of the two things, play the game, play the first...
You're not going to play the game.
No, but let's just say, in a perfect world in which I was less... And by the way, you make it sound like I hate the thing. I totally would love to, but I got, the schedule is out of control.
Well, I would say because you like Naughty Dog with, was it Uncharted?
I love Naughty Dog, yeah.
They made this game.
Yes.
So the same mechanics.
Yes.
Third-person shooter.
Yes.
I think you should play the game.
Go on, Will.
And I think you should have some tissues.
Okay,
you're going to shed a tear.
If I could only watch the series or play the game, you say play the game.
Yeah, play the game. It's interactive.
The game is still better than the series, according to you.
I wouldn't say that. The show just started, the series of the show.
I know, but you're 2 episodes in.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I actually haven't watched the second episode yet. Probably tonight.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Well, this is all very cool. I'm just glad people found something they like and they're having a time and nobody's very angry with each other and the franchise is under control and Willie Doo has something to watch and some popcorn to eat and he can maybe even has a watch party, puts on his special outfit. I don't know. I don't know what type of stuff you're up to, Will, these days, but I know in your past that's what you like to do, right?